Hi, my name is Esther Paul and I'm an independent consultant with Norwex. If you've never seen the chicken demo, you are in for a treat. So let me show you how I'm going to clean, literally mechanically remove protein from raw chicken from this cutting board using only the Norwex Envirocloth. You'll remember that the two properties that set the Norwex Envirocloth apart from all of the other microfiber competitors is, number one, it has a superior weave. Literally those little tiny grabby microfiber star-shaped threads are going to mechanically pick up and hold into the cloth up to 99% of bacteria from a surface using just water when used properly. So I'm going to show you how it's going to mechanically pick up protein with this microfiber, which is smaller than bacteria. So the other feature of the Envirocloth that sets it apart is that it has the backlock technology, which is that micro silver that is inserted into the cloth during the processing that allows it to break down bacterial odors that build up in the cloth. So I also love that about our microfiber. Okay, ready? Here we go. I'm gonna take the chicken and I'm gonna block it on the cutting board. Remember, the chicken is protein, smaller than bacteria, and the microfiber is literally going to pick it up and put it into the cloth. And then I'm gonna use a protein residue swab and test it. And if the liquid is green, then the surface is clean. And that means that it pulled up all the protein and there's none left on the surface after I clean it with the microfiber. If there's any protein left, then my testing liquid will show a shade of gray or purple, and that means that the cloth didn't do its job. It left protein on the surface. Okay, there you are. See that I just wiped it. I'm gonna take the protein residue swab it, put it in, crack the liquid, and you can see that it's green. That means that the microfiber did its job. The Envirocloth was able to pull up the protein that was on the surface and put it in the cloth. Wait, it gets better. Ready? I'm going to show you something. I'm going to take the swab and I'm going to drag it right onto the cloth itself. That's the same side that I used to wipe up the chicken juice. And I'm going to shake it, and you can see that there still is no protein remaining on the surface of the Envirocloth. The protein is obviously there, it's just deep into the cloth. So that's the part that I love about it. It doesn't just lay on the surface. You can feel good that you're not transferring germs around as you're cleaning. Okay, this wouldn't be any fun if you didn't actually see this turn purple, right? So let me touch the chicken itself so you can see that it really does work. And then I am going to hold it up and you can see that the liquid is purple. So when the protein residue swab finds protein, it actually shows up on the test swab as purple. So what does that show us? It shows us that you can really feel confident about using the Envirocloth when you're cleaning all of your surfaces.